Parrish coming in now.
38 off. World
38 off.
record holder Chris Parrish coming at him. Not much movement at all. Let that ski come out around the buoy. Let the ski do the work, and he just gets set in that leverage position. And right, you don't pull too long.
Okay, Chris coming back now. Chris Parrish coming in now. 39 tailwind.
39 off. World record holder Chris Parrish, round 1. He's around 2. He's around 3. Waiting for 4. Waiting for 5. Waiting for 6. Chris Parrish. So it's so critical that that ski is coming around, and it's coming around at the right time.
Chris Parrish coming back now, 41 off.
An angle around the buoy. And not
Matteo Ianni is in the lead right now with 3 at 41.
1. He's around 1.
2.
He's around 2.
3.
He's around 3. He's around 4, and he's our winner.